Hello, this tutorial will explain how to go about requesting either a modification to an existing project for which you already have approval, also known as a modification, or to request an extension of approval to an existing project with no changes, also known as an extension. First, go to the GC IRB Portal homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Applications tab and start a new application. Enter your protocol title. Here, it's important that you enter exactly the same title as your previously approved application. Click Yes to the extension question. This will bring up a new area on the application page specifically for extensions and modifications. Click the blue extension form link to access a downloadable PDF of the extension and modification form. Once you have downloaded the PDF, you will fill in the fields as appropriate for your study, save the form, and then upload the form back in the extension request area of your new application. Many people have specific questions about completing the PDF itself, so for some extra information and tips on that, please see an additional tutorial video called Navigating the Extension and Modification Request Form. Once you have completed, saved, and uploaded your PDF, complete the other remaining fields on the new application page as appropriate for your project. For example, filling in principal investigator information, start dates, etc., and click Save at the bottom of the page. At this point, you should see confirmation that your application has been created. Your final steps will be to upload appropriate supporting documentation and to submit your application. Let's talk about the documents that are needed for just a moment. All applications should include an uploaded consent document at a minimum, In addition, all extension and modification requests should include any other documentation that was previously approved. As you may know, we are still migrating many applications over from the irbnet.org system. If you are submitting an extension and modification request for a protocol that was previously approved in IRBnet, please upload all materials from IRBnet to the portal system. This includes the copy of your approved application document, all the approved measures and materials, site permission letters, interview scripts, etc. as applicable. We also ask that you upload a copy of your previous approval letter from IRBnet. If you are requesting an extension or modification to an application that was approved in the GC IRB Portal system, at this time there's no automatic way to link your originally approved application to your extension or modification request. Thus, your extension or modification will create a new application ID number, and IRB administrators will link your applications together after submission. Still, the process is similar to migrating from IRBnet. We ask that you go to the original application ID number in IRB Portal and transfer all documents listed in the Documents tab over to your extension application. Your goal is to make an exact replica of your previously approved application with this new application ID number, except for any materials that are affected by the modifications you have requested, if any. Now you're ready to submit your application. Go to the Submit tab and click Submit this application. The portal system reminds you that you have not completed all of the application fields, but you don't need to do this for extension requests. So click Submit now. And your extension and modification has been submitted. If submitted successfully, you will be notified of your submission by email, and your application will be listed as with moderator. If you have any questions about submitting an extension or modification, please email irb@gcsu.edu. You can also find a downloadable PDF version of this tutorial on the IRB Portal homepage. You're also encouraged to listen to the complimentary Navigating the Extension and Modification form video tutorial as mentioned earlier. Thank you and good luck with your research.